Hey guys, welcome back to Learning to DIY. Just wanted to unbox really quick. I don't know what these things look like. Harbor Freight carries two creepers under the Icon brand, and one of them they usually have on display in the store. It's like really nice. The one they had recently on a coupon looked like that one, but when you go to take it up to the register, they say, "Oh, that coupon's for this other model," and they pulled it out of the back. They probably had it displayed. Maybe they only had a few left. I think they actually told me they only had two left. Anyway, they had two in the back, and this was one of them. But I wasn't able to get on the ground for a long time because of my weight. It was really hard to get up and down, so I was really happy when I was able to change my oil, which sounds silly, but it's true. And we went to Harbor Freight to get a creeper so that next time I won't have to use cardboard boxes, which is fine. Anybody, I recommend, instead of getting on gravel or concrete, put down some cardboard boxes. It even helps you slide under and back out. So my cousin helped me with my oil change. Just kind of, he had the oil filter wrench that we used and stuff like that. So I've been kind of gathering together the things to be able to change my own oil. I got one of the Daytona jacks and some jack stands, Daytona jack stands, and that worked out great. And just now filling in the blanks. I still need to get, I think I have the right actually wrench. It's the little cup that fits on for the oil filter. I went and got one, but it was the wrong size, had to take it back. So let's take a look at this creeper, because this is, we figured out it's going to take about a year of oil changes to pay back what we spent to be able to do the oil changes. So when you're doing the cost benefit analysis on this stuff, you have to make sure that what you're doing is going to justify the price of these things. But with the jack and the jack stands and the oil pan and the creeper and everything, change your oil. We're changing our oil on 2 cars for about a year, and that's going to cover the cost of these things. And since they have a lifetime warranty, it should be a good investment. Okay, well, okay, I thought there was going to be some assembly required, but there's not, which is kind of cool. So I think this one and the other Icon creeper are both 400 pound capacity, which I wanted to do. I'm not planning on gaining weight back, but I thought it should not be unwieldy or anything if I use it. So they have this carbon fiber look to it, which I'll show you as soon as I get the plastic off. Let's see. Okay. Wow. That looks pretty good. So 37 inches long, 400 pounds. I'll try to get it a little closer here. Yeah, not bad. 400 pound capacity, comfort foam. This actually, oh wow, okay, yeah, this is like a rubberized foam here. The little pillow thing is, that's nice, actually. Okay, comfortable foam padding that doesn't slip under use. 6 smooth rolling. Yeah, let's look at the casters. All right. Okay, these are actually hard plastic. It feels like the tool plastic, you know, that they use for tools. So hopefully those are durable. You can see the seam where they were in a mold. Looks like, and I'll be checking the fit on these to make sure that those screws are in tight there. And yeah, those are pretty solid. They're actually better than I expected as far as the casters are concerned. The funny thing is, the outside of this package said nothing about Icon. It just said made in China. And what else did it say? It said premium creeper black. And looks like it was imported into Chicago. Anyway, so it says that it has a carry handle. That's it on the bottom, carry handle. And 2 metal plates on each side of the headrest. Headrest. That's interesting. 2 metal plates on each side of headrest for magnetic lights. Oh, okay. So here's a metal plate, here's a metal plate. There's 2 metal plates. And yeah, that's pretty cool actually. So you could put magnetic tools, magnetic parts. I thought about mounting a magnet to my ratchet, but if I get a good enough size metal tray, it'll stay. But that's good, so you don't lose stuff. That's smart. Molded magnetic trays. Oh, that's what it's, okay. Molded magnetic trays for tools. Oh, that's what these are. Okay, so these are actually magnetic. Okay, so this is where, like if you're laying down and your head's up here, you just put your ratchet here, or screwdriver or whatever, you put it here and it's magnetic. I wonder how strong the magnet is. I don't know. Well, I guess that's aluminum. Okay. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Let's see. Molded magnetic trays. Yep. So this is 37 3/4 by, that's the length, by 21 7/8 width by 5-inch height. Okay, so it's low to the ground, 5 inches high, 1 3/8 inch ground clearance. So it's really low to the ground. That's really good. I'm gonna get something steel or magnetic, or that something made of ferrous material. Let's see how magnetic these trays are. Okay, well, let's try a screwdriver. They don't seem that magnetic. Let me get some bits or something. We'll just take some bits out of my bit holder on the screwdriver and, okay, well, that's not bad. Oh, it's not great. I would call that slightly magnetic. I think we can do better. It's got a, I don't know. I think if I rough this up, I can get some better magnets than that. But you can see it's got a super low profile. So I'm gonna end up, because I am a thick boy, I'm gonna end up jacking the car up quite a bit to get under it. So it's good to know that this is kind of low profile. I won't have to go crazy with that. It does say Icon on the metal on the wheels. So yeah, that's it. Unboxed, and we'll use this in a future oil change, because I am going to share that with you. Oh, that's nice. It's so nice when the labels come off clean and it doesn't leave that sticky crap. I tell you what, Dollar Tree is really good for that. All of their stuff has labels that come off clean. Alright, well thanks guys, thanks for joining me. Thanks for learning with me, because we just learned about the Icon creeper, the less expensive one, which actually looks pretty sturdy. Sounds like just a piece of plastic, but I mean, it appears very strong, and the mold lines you can see, I mean, it's molded together pretty good. You're not going to pay a small fortune, but, well, I guess it is a small fortune, but you're not going to pay a big fortune for it. So, thanks for learning with me.